Perched high on the south side of Mummy Mountain lies one of Paradise Valley's most luxurious residences. Built in 2015 and situated on 1.2 acres of land, Bella Paradiso is a Mediterranean-inspired mega mansion in Paradise Valley, Arizona. The stucco and stain-accented residence was designed and built with elegant entertainment in mind and showcases a bevy of classic elements that pay homage to the golden era's affluence. With a gracious floor plan, high ceilings, and approximately 20,000 square feet of living space, this highly desirable estate offers 7 grand bedroom suites and 13 bathrooms. As you arrive at the gated residence, a large motor court provides ample parking space for over 12 cars at any time, as well as a 6-car garage. Exquisite detail throughout this tremendous estate from the moment you drive through the gate. From the extravagant, classic European facade to the hand-laid chevron wood flooring and custom metalwork. Through the elaborate glass and iron front doors, initially stunned by the scale of the rooms, quality of finishes, and mountain view. The large open-plan, formal living space includes the living room, dining room, and game room with a full bar. Floor plan flows into the kitchen, family room, and casual dining area. Kitchen delivers exceptional capacity to cater huge dual islands, the finest appliances, rare marble countertops, an abundance of cabinetry space, intricate backsplash work, and a full butler's pantry. Large doors from the dining area lead you to the balcony where you experience the luxury scale and facilities of a 5-star hotel. Steps lead to the patio with a beautiful spa including fountain features, a sitting area, and views spanning the East Valley to downtown Phoenix and the iconic Camelback Mountain. Take a few steps down to the lawn area where you'll find an abundance of space for entertaining and a luxurious private swimming pool. An expansive bright master suite hosts a spa-inspired bath, huge walk-in closet with room to display your belongings, separate his and hers bathrooms, a charming seating area, fireplace, incredible views, and exercise room. The expansive lower level has a glass-enclosed wine closet, wet bar, and a 200-guest ballroom that could double as an accommodating showroom-style 22-car garage. Seven large fireplaces throughout the estate, self-contained guest suite, 4 separate laundry facilities, enormous decks on both the main level and third level. This dream home is your own private oasis for a never-ending vacation.